Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get a refund on DoorDash. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your DoorDash application. After opening your DoorDash application, you will see this interface. So make sure that you have logged in with the account with which you want the refund. After logging in with your account, make sure you have ordered something and you want to get the refund for that. Now, after I navigate here, I will see the option for home, pickup, browse and orders. So I will have to just click on the orders icon just right here and I will see my recent orders appearing in this section. Now, if you don't see the orders section, what you have to do is click on the me icon at the top of the screen. So you see this small circular icon, click here and here you will see my orders section. So just navigate to the order section and as you can see, I don't have any orders. That's why you're not able to see it. But if you have any orders available on this screen, you'll have to just click on that order. After selecting that order, you will see the order details. There, you'll have to just click on missing or incorrect items or get a refund option and choose what is your issue, what went wrong, and after selecting it, you can also upload a photo or add a description by explaining comprehensively what went wrong and why do you want a refund. After explaining it, simply click on submit and you would have successfully sent the request for refund to DoorDash, after which they will analyze it and send you a refund. So that's a simple way to do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.